That was me. That was me. Nevada. Yeah, that was me.
Yeah.
Person was stopping for no reason.
Oh. That's silly.
Yeah. Been driving in circles looking for parking. What are you doing? That's okay, we'll get there.
Wow, this GPS is going crazy.
Oh, well, okay, I just cut off this pickup truck. Sorry, guy. Sorry. That was for me.
Guys, this is oh my gosh, I can't.
So far, we're the worst drivers here.
Honestly.
Oh, what happened there? I didn't catch that. We're too far ahead.
He just did not go when it was green.
Who got cut off there?
Garden thing.
Yeah. Yeah, Hampton Roads is way ahead of us now. He's like flying.
Oh, wait a minute. No, the guy was going straight. No, he was in the straight lane trying to make a left. Ooh. Wow, y'all going all over the place.
I know, these guys, Hampton Roads is flying.
And I thought I drive fast. Oh my god.
I'm just trying to keep up with him.
Literally all of us are just going back and forth, back and forth.
Yo, what's going on here? Oh, okay. People are turning. He's like veering in and out of traffic.
Oh my god. And I really thought I was the fastest one to hear everybody.
Okay, so I got Garden State behind me. Well, how far back are you?
I'm right behind Garden State.
Okay, good. Everyone caught up again. Like.
Yeah. I'm trying to stay close because these red lights and long.
Oh yeah, they're bad. I mean, at least they're synchronized, but.
Yeah.
Okay, we're getting closer to Times Square.
Okay.
We're right by the Madison Square Garden. Yeah, it's to my right.
Oh, Square Garden.
Yeah.
I remember when I used to want to live in New York. Now, no. No. And I feel like people that live in New York that have cars don't care about it. Me, if I had one scratch on my car, I would be so mad. I don't know.
Yeah. Oh, you guys are getting caught behind the light.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry guys. I'll try to tell you where we are. Okay, we got a light now too, so you'll be fine.
Yeah. These, what was it called? These New York City cyclists, they just run the red light.
Oh yeah, it's awful here.
They don't even care.
They don't. They have no regard for their own safety.
Yeah.
And the many times I've had a cyclist just go right in front of my car is unbelievable.
Yeah, in New Brunswick, when they have these, what are they called? They have these little scooters, electric scooters that people be using, and you have to follow the rules of the road. And see, they just, one time I was in the Jaguar, and they just keep take lead when you turn. Ooh, okay.
Wow.
So we're just gonna be driving things because I honestly don't know where to go.
See, Hampton is doing what I said not to do in New York, and that is drive in the edge lanes.
Yeah.
Because you always have to change lanes anyway. So I stick to the middle. You see this little smart car?
Yeah.
Police car.
Traffic enforcement.
Yeah.
I see they're serious with the ticket. Ooh, I don't want to cut you off.
Can you please not hit me? That'd be great.
Wow. Traffic.
Yeah.
I don't. What's happening?
I don't know.
Oh, see.
Oh.
Please don't hit my car.
Okay. Was that one of us honking, or was it someone else?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's hard to keep track now.
If someone has, like, when people that lowered their car,
Oh, yeah.
yeah. Where did, oh, he got stuck at the light.
Even in New Jersey, I wouldn't lower my car because there's so many bad roads there.
PA got stuck at the light.
Oh, no.
I'll tell him to turn at 46th Street.
Hampton just got caught off real bad.
We're still heading down 7th Ave. Hampton just got caught off real bad.
Dude's just blocking the lane because he can't get into the turn lane.
Like the big shot. I don't know. It's been a while.
Oh, I'm seeing someone get pulled over.
Oh, shoot.
Not sure what they did.
You're getting pulled over.
Wow, nice job, BMW.
I'm basically here now. Let's see, where's the parking lot? Use your signal light. What on earth?